I'm Brad.
And we're 626 Ohana, California. And today we're gonna have you come in with us as we enter our room at the Poly for the first time.
So this is a DVC room that we're members of, and you'll get to see what a studio at the Polynesian looks like.
So please like, subscribe, follow along with our Ohana and all of our adventures.
All right, let's go.
Inside, we'll do a room tour. This is a standard view DVC studio. So we'll start with the first door on our right. This is the first bathroom. Toilet, sink, shower, tub. If you notice something, I love the fact none of the big pumps, yay. Okay, so we lucked out because I was expecting that still to have pumps. And plenty of storage for all your toiletries. And some mermaids. Okay, next is a huge closet. Ooh, and laundry basket, extra linen. You got your pack and play for the babies.
Safe.
Yeah, safe.
Luggage rack.
Your standard room. Okay, next we'll go to our little kitchenette. So you up here you just got a lot of storage, which is nice. Microwave. You got your utensils.
And they do have a list on it of if you need something more, they can bring to the room.
Yeah. And they got your coffee maker, toaster, coffee and tea caddy. A mini fridge, and your trash hidden, and recyclables. I like how they do that. Next is my favorite part of the Poly, is a spare bathroom. So 2 people can be showering at once. So we have got more of the individual H2O products, even more storage area for toiletries.
You got the shower. You got a little place to put your toiletries in. Bench.
Yeah, I love this shower.
And this is the greatest thing. It has a rain can.
For Brad's height. And they've got a little makeup mirror, lighted makeup mirror.
Hi. Alrighty.
Oh, Hayden looks.
Yep.
Oh, Hayden, do you want to show them where you're going to sleep?
Sure. I'll be in here.
What's in there?
Pull it out.
Hayden's bed.
And really, I can fit lengthwise on this. I've actually fell asleep on this bed before. And there is a little light in there. Hey, can you flip on the light?
Show them the night light? Oh,
okay,
lovely.
that's what I want to do it. There is a light that turns on. It lights it up so the kids have their own little night light. And of course, right above it's the TV.
Alright, so now we found our bed. And they've got these little drawers, but underneath, I'll let Brad in. They have some USB ports.
I don't know if I can illuminate them. Oh yeah, right there. So there are some USB, and these are on each side. So you can plug in things. They have USB ports as well, which is great. I'm not sure all the rooms have that or not, so we'll be finding out if they do. And of course, they put some literature on the bed for us.
The same thing, more USB ports.
And again, there's more underneath that one.
And this is a sleeper sofa, so it would pop out for 2 more people. We're gonna, at the end, we're gonna take out all the beds and show you what it's like if everybody was here. So we also have This little trunk, it's good for storage. Get things out of the way. Just kind of nice, or it doubles as a table.
And then they also do have more storage underneath the bed.
Oh yeah.
So these do come out, and it's on both sides, I believe. And then you have underneath here, this is underneath the
Pop this
bed,
up for you.
you have room for a couple more suitcases.
So you really don't have to have the suitcases anywhere out and
Yeah.
about. And we got our little...
Oh, and then one of our favorite lamps that we have.
We've actually talked about buying one of these, but I don't know why that one's not working.
It's not plugged in. And there is a couple.
Yeah, it is plugged in.
Oh, I don't know. And there is a couple more USB ports right there too by the lamp.
Oh.
So you should have plenty of USB ports if you need them.
Oh, and we have our balcony,
Oh,
our view.
and this is the view. This is just a basic garden view from the first floor. This is the first time we've ever had a first floor
Yeah.
room right here. Usually we have a second or third.
Yeah, I wasn't quite thrilled with the room choice. This wouldn't be my first room choice if out of the ones that we've stayed here. But this is a DVC standard view. Right.
Okay. So
So that's it. We're gonna pull out, you know what, give us a few minutes break. We're gonna pull out the couch and let you see what it looks like if everything was pulled out. So we're just gonna walk in. We have all the beds pulled out. Hayden already jumped on his bed.
so you can have a
You can have an idea of how much room is really between the little bed here. It's a huge walkway. And then when the sofa bed is pulled out. So you still have enough room for a little walkway right here. So if you wondered what does it look like, it's a nice size bed for two. And the luggage, like we said, we would put it under here. We will be later when it arrives from after Magical Express. And then also, we didn't show you this other little nook, but since we put our carry-ons here, you'll get the idea of, there's a little nook where you could put a stroller, you could put your extra carry-ons, your luggage to store it, whatnot. So there's plenty of space, probably comfortably for 5, really. It's not tight quarters.
It'd be tight for a lot of people that have a lot of luggage though, because the luggage
Yeah.
would be, you wouldn't have a whole lot of room, so you'd be really trying to balance that.
Yeah, but it's not bad if you pack light.
Yes.
You know, find a few little nooks and crannies for luggage.
And
You
again,
could really
remember
enjoy.
with DVC, free
Yeah.
laundry.
Yeah, you do get free laundry with DVC. Not if you book on your own, but if you are a DVC member. I like the little artwork in back. All right, so that's our room tour.
Okay.
So with that, that's our room tour. We hope you enjoyed and they gave you a good overview of what it'd be like if you brought 5 people to your room.
Yeah, it is a tighter space, but it is possible with 5 people.
And the 1.5, basically 2 bathrooms. It's really kind of a nice choice.
Yeah, so yeah, it's great. This is why Poly is so in demand, because there's studio apartments, there's 2 bathrooms, and you can fit a lot of people in them.
It is. With that, we're gonna say
Goodbye, and
bye.
For the Doyle family from Fairless Hills, Pennsylvania, find your magic.